Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good.
In today's video, we will be sanding, my husband will be sanding, we'll be staining the boat's storage lid and swim platform. One being right back there. So if you need to learn how to do that or just enjoy watching DIYs, this is a video for you.
I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see.
The first step is to put this Thompson's Water Seal waterproofing stain in this tray so that you can roll it and put it on. I mean, you don't have to get this kind, I guess, but
Whatever you want.
get whatever you want. But this is what was available at the place we went to get stain.
You're not rising. You're not rising. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. And let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see
we ended up doing 3 coats of this stain on here. Every 2 hours we came out and we put more stain on. And I mean, it basically says put as many coats as you want, as long, you know, with what you get your, what you desire on color wise, basically. We had to do it every 2 hours so that, because it has the sealant in it, so that it doesn't basically make it useless after doing it after 2 hours. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope this gave you some motivation to tackle that staining project or even painting project that you've been needing to do. If you haven't yet subscribed, we'd love to have you join our YouTube family, and give this video a like if you enjoyed this. Share it if you found it helpful, and just a few tips that you need to do is to go with the grain of the wood. And not like painting a wall, you have to go with the grain of the wood. So I hope you enjoy this, and we'll see you in the